guys, it's Ray here from RWilco12 and EpicDroid.com, and we're here to look at SupCase's Unicorn Beetle case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now this here is not an actual 10 Plus. Samsung has not started shipping those yet. This is actually what they call a dummy device. Dummy devices are devices that they send to case manufacturers so that they can create cases that are ready to ship when the phone does. And in this case, SupCase was able to get them out before the phone has actually started shipping. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set the phone down, and we are going to look at the case here. So one thing you'll see on the case is it does have these two plastic screens on there. I would recommend taking the one off on the inside first. Here at the bottom you'll see a little tab there. Just grab that and peel that off. Now before you put your phone in, you want to make sure that it's free of dust and that there's no smudges or anything on the back of it. And then once you have it cleaned, you're going to slide it on in. Now here you have your power and your volume buttons on the left side of the phone. I would slide it in with those first just to prevent any damage to those. Push it down on in, snap your corners, make sure it's in all the way everywhere. And once you get it in, come here on the back and peel that piece of plastic off. I really like that clear plastic look, and it really shows off the device, especially with some of the other color options that they're going to have. Since we're already here on the back, let's go ahead and take a quick look at it. And the first thing you'll notice here is we have a cutout for the camera, the flash, and the other sensors. And as you can see there, it has a raised lip. That makes it so that if you're setting that down, you're not going to have to worry about your camera lens getting scratched up or having any damage to the different sensors there. And here on the front, we have the same thing. We have a raised lip that goes across the top and the bottom of the device so that you can set that face down. You don't have to worry about your screen getting scratched up. Now, when we look at that, we see the raised lip across the top and the bottom here, but it doesn't go along the sides. And the reason they have that is because of the curved edges of the Note 10 Plus. They want to make sure that that's not going to be getting in the way of that and the ability to use that edge surface. Here on the bottom we have a couple of cutouts. We have a cutout for the microphone, for the USB-C charging port, for your speaker, as well as your S Pen. Now unfortunately my S Pen is not a real S Pen, so I can't remove it to show it, but as you can see here, there is plenty of room for you to be able to get that in and out, and there's plenty of room with this USB-C charging port where you should be able to use just about any USB-C charger with it. Here up top we got cutouts for the noise cancelling mics, and then here on the side we do have the buttons for the power and the volume, and as you can hear there, they do maintain their natural clickiness, and they are very responsive. Now unfortunately, because this is a dummy device, I can't test whether the device actually powers on, but because of the natural clickiness and the fact that I've worked with these cases in the past, I do have high hopes, and I think that you won't have any issues there. Now here up at the top, we do have one more thing I want to point out. So we do have this slight little cutout there that is for the speaker, so you have your front-facing speaker, and as you can see there, it is just a slight little indent that goes in right there, and that makes it so that your audio quality won't be impeded by the phone case when you're using it. All in all, it's a really awesome case. I really like this one, and I don't know what they did differently on this one, but as you can see here, it's not as much of a fingerprint magnet as some of their other cases have been. This one looks really good, and it's not attracting fingerprints like they normally do. So if you're looking for a case that's going to protect your device as well as allow you to show it off, I would definitely recommend this one. They've got the nice bumper guards here, and they're very grippy, so you're not going to have to worry about dropping it. And that side and the back just look amazing. They go for about $13 on Amazon, and we'll have links in the video description down below where you can order one for yourself. If you have any questions about this case, about SupCase's other products, or about the Note 10 Plus, please feel free to hit us up in the comment section down below, and we'll reply as soon as we are available. If you've enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.